Hi guys, Billy Wiz here. I'm here with my friend George from school. And we just rescued this little injured bird. You tell us what it is, what bird it is.
Oh, it's a baby pigeon. And it lets you stroke it though.
Its feathers are dead soft. Right, Charlie and Poppy have just gone. There's my scooter, and George is going to be using that other one. That is not my mum's car, but you guys know that she's got that, but it's all black, and the exhaust's are silver. He's a little baby bird. It might not be a pigeon.
I don't think it's plastics like walkers.
We'll try and make this at least a minute and a half long. George went to St Columbus.
Still got his foot.
George went to St Columbus, then he went to South Walney for some reason. Why did you leave South Walney and then come up to my school, Vicarstown?
No, Mum just says. The school's only over there.
Yeah, it's over there. Oh, it's so cute. Right, I'm gonna go.
Try to see how to pick up the birds.
Go on then.
That's all you do.
Get your. Oh my god.
Oh god. Well, mate.
Do it again.
No.
Yeah, one more time.
No, it hurt itself.
No, it didn't. One more time. It kicks off. It starts kicking off. Oh my god. Right, going out now. See you guys next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Billy Wiz. See you guys.